Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to explore how to change the start week in your Fitbit app. Whether you prefer your week to begin on Monday or Sunday, this video will guide you through the process clearly and efficiently. First, open the Fitbit app on your device. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top right. Then, scroll down and click on Fitbit Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Date, Time and Units, and tap on it. After that, locate the Start Week option and click on it. You will now see two choices, Monday or Sunday. Select the day you want your week to begin on, and your Fitbit app will update to reflect your preferred start day for the week. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.